Hello everyone, welcome to Acharya Edu channel. In our last class, we have discussed that sound produced by vibrating bodies. We have done some activities also. Okay, and one more point we discussed that what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hearing. Right? The sound is a form of energy. Then in our last class, we got a doubt. Does sound have energy? Right? So now we are going to investigate. Now we are going to find whether sound have energy or not. Okay? So now what is our topic? Does sound have energy? This is our today's topic. To know the answer for this question, we have to do one activity. What are the materials required for this activity is a glass, a mobile, and a balloon, and a rubber band, small quantity of sugar. Okay? So now, how we have to arrange these all the materials? So first of all, take a glass and keep a mobile in the glass by keeping high volume. Right? And cover the mouth of the glass with a balloon by using rubber bands. We have to close the mouth of the glass by using a balloon, by using rubber bands. Okay? And stretch it tightly. Stretch the balloon tightly, then the stretched rubber band act as a diaphragm. Now it is act as a diaphragm. Okay? And sprinkle the sugar crystals on the balloon diaphragm. On the balloon diaphragm. Okay? Now observe the movement. So now here no music. Music is not playing. Music is not playing in mobile. Not playing. Then we have to find our observation. When the music is not playing in the mobile, in that time the sugar crystals are in stationary. Sugar crystals are remains stationary. That means at rest when the music is not playing. So this is our first observation. Okay. So second observation, when music is playing. Okay. This is our second observation. Then give a ring to the mobile which is kept in the glass. Right? When the music is playing in the mobile, then observe the movement of the crystals. and we can notice that the sugar crystals are jumping on the diaphragm. Okay, the sugar crystals are dancing on the rubber bands, the stretched balloon. Okay, so the stretched balloon is act as a diaphragm, no? So balloon diaphragm, on balloon diaphragm the sugar crystals are dancing. So they are dancing. Here I will write the observation as dancing. Okay, then after again I stop playing the music. Again the sugar crystals are stationary. So when the music is playing, the sugar crystals are dancing on the stretched balloon diaphragm. So which is responsible for the movement of the sugar crystals? Which is the responsible? So here clearly in our observation, when the music is not playing, that or stationary, when the music is playing, they are moving. So that means here the sound is the responsible. Sound is the responsible to get into motion, the sugar crystal. Actually what happening when the sound is playing? So due to the sound energy, the diaphragm starts vibrating. That vibrations which we can see in the sugar crystals. Sugar crystals. Okay. So due to the which energy the diaphragm is vibrating? Because of sound. When sound is not playing, then the sugar crystals are at rest. When sound is playing, the sugar crystals are dancing. So the sound is responsible to make the sugar crystals are in motion. So this proves that, this activities proves that sound has energy. Sound has energy. Okay, right? So this sound energy is used in various fields, in medical field, in industrial field, and in transportation field also we are using this sound energy. Then you will discuss in higher in classes how the sound energy is used in medical field, how the sound energy is used in transportation field. Okay, in our next class we are going to discuss how musical instruments are producing sound and why the music is different by different musical instruments. That we are going to discuss in our next class. Okay, and please subscribe our Acharya Edu channel and like the video and share the video.